Hi, this is Corey, DS Diamond. It's October 8th. On the motor vessel, the Crazy Russian. I want to make this a two-part video. The first part, you're going to swim the hull. It's clean, everything's clean, up to 6 inches above the water line. It looks pretty good. And then I'm going to come back here to the starboard outdrive to show sort of a comparison to the port outdrive, because I've spent about 45 minutes digging on it, so I just want everybody to see kind of what I'm dealing with and why it's taking so long. So here we go. So, starboard side's not perfect by any means, but it started. So back to work on the port side.